Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Today I want to tell you something that I have changed my channel name. First it was Sarika's Art Fundas. Now it has been changed in Sarika's Art and Toy Fundas because I like the toys very much. Now on my channel you can enjoy watching my art as well as my toys with some stories. Today I am going to share with you unboxing of this doll which I have brought from Funfair. Let us unbox the doll with her accessories. Here is a small table with drawers and old phone on it. This is her heart-shaped dressing table with pink color. See here graceful throne-like chairs of sofa set. One beautiful nice sofa. And here is the lavender color teapot. And realistic and attractive lampshade. Hey, here is the beautiful cute pink doll like Barbie. See, she looks more attractive with her surrounded accessories. See her cute smile. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my videos in all your groups. Thank you very much for watching my video.